Hello, everyone, and happy holidays from South Mountain Community College.
And from the Storytelling Institute.
And from the South Phoenix Oral History Project.
As we look back over the last long, difficult months, we can't help but acknowledge the role the college has played in bringing stability and optimism for the future.
In fact, we've been doing that since the very beginning of the college, 40 years ago.
We're coming to the end of our 40th year, and we want to thank you for all you've done to make SMCC what it is.
Please join us as we look back on our college's founding with the premiere of our full-length documentary, Origins, celebrating 40 years of South Mountain Community College.
Along with the premiere, we're also hosting a virtual silent auction, all on January 22nd at 5 p.m. For more information, visit southphoenixoralhistory.com.
See you in 2021.